Hi guys, I'm back. Peter Mtare here. Today, guys, I just want to share with you some of the thoughts that I have. I'm back, guys. Please kindly excuse me. I was serving a customer earlier. So, like I was saying, guys, I had the thought, and the thought was, I think there is more to life than we usually think. There is more to life than we usually think. The goals that you have, the dreams that you have, the mission that you stand on, I think there is more than you usually think. So don't rush, take your time, step by step, and it will reveal itself as you go along the journey. You may think you stand for something bigger, but you might find out that you are standing for something smaller, or you are standing for something much bigger than you think. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my video. It helps me a lot. I'm just starting out, and please do comment down so we can share the knowledge. Thank you guys for watching.